Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup for a sick person. When someone isn't feeling well, a comforting bowl of soup can be incredibly soothing. We'll focus on ingredients that are gentle on the stomach and provide essential hydration and nutrients. Think clear broths, soft vegetables, and lean proteins. The goal is to nourish without overwhelming their digestive system, helping them on their path to recovery. Hydration is paramount when someone is sick, and soup is an excellent way to provide it. A good soup offers more than just water. It delivers vital electrolytes and nutrients. Include lean proteins like shredded chicken or soft tofu to help rebuild strength. Soft, well-cooked vegetables such as carrots, celery, and zucchini provide essential vitamins and minerals without being difficult to digest. Aim for a balanced and nourishing meal. Preparing soup for a sick person requires a gentle touch. Start by simmering your chosen ingredients until they are very tender, almost melting in the mouth. This makes the soup easy to chew and swallow, especially for someone with a sore throat or low energy. Cut vegetables into small, uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Remember to keep seasonings mild. A little salt and perhaps a hint of ginger can be comforting, but avoid anything too strong. When serving, ensure the soup is warm, not scalding hot, to prevent discomfort. Offer small, manageable portions. Sometimes a few spoonfuls are all a sick person can manage at once. You can offer small amounts more frequently throughout the day. For storage, allow any leftover soup to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. It can be safely refrigerated for up to 3 days, ready for another comforting serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.